Good day, ma'am. We are the Group 1 here to discuss our global inventory system with its currency conversion. I am Christine Chiaro Mercado to discuss the login system and the add function in our main menu. When the program starts, the login screen appears. I enter the username and the password. The system checks if the credential match any predefined account and then identifies my role. Here, it confirms that I am logged in as an admin, giving me full access. But what if I input an incorrect username or password? Then it would display invalid credentials. Try again. Next, I'll demonstrate add material. I select add material from the menu. System asks for the material name, cost, currency, distributor, company, and date. When I input the cost, the system validates it to ensure it's a number. After choosing the currency, the system automatically converts the cost into Philippine peso using stored exchange rates. Once all fields are entered, the material is saved into inventory list.
For this part, I'll demonstrate how we can edit and delete materials in our inventory system. The system first displays the current inventory in a neatly formatted table. To edit a material, I select the item number I want to modify. The program allows me to either edit the entire entry or update a specific field such as cost or distributor. So, we edit now the entire entry. What I will do is I can update all details at once. Material name, cost, currency, distributor, company, and date. So it's like rewriting the whole row in the inventory. Meanwhile, when we are editing a specific field, the user can change only one detail, such as just the cost, only the distributor, or only the currency, without modifying the rest of the information. So if the cost or currency changes, the system automatically recomputes the Philippine peso equivalent, keeping all the records accurate and consistent. Next, I'll show how to delete a material. The inventory table displayed first, so I can clearly see all the items. I select the item number to remove, and the program asks for confirmation to prevent accidental deletion. Once confirmed, the material is removed, and the updated inventory is shown immediately. Right now.
I am Zoran Calion, and now I am here to discuss to you the display inventory. When if data exists, the program converts the entire inventory into a pandas data frame. This allows the system to organize the information into clear columns such as material, cost, currency, cost in Philippine peso, distributor, company, and date. When the user selects this option, the system first checks if the inventory list is empty. If there are no items, it simply shows a message saying the inventory is empty. The next one is the register user. This feature is restricted to the admin only. If the regular user tries to access it, the system immediately shows access denied. But when an admin is logged in, the system asks for a new username, password, and role. Then it checks if the username already exists. If it does, the register process stops. If it doesn't, the system saves the new account into the user's list.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Clark Andre D. Ruiz, and now I will discuss to you the search and sort feature. So for search, it lets the user quickly find items in the inventory. They can search by material, distributor, company, date, or currency. So the system takes the keyword, filters the data frame, and shows only the matching rows in a clean table. It works even if the user types in lowercase, so it's simple and accurate. So meanwhile in sort, so the sort helps organize the inventory. Users can sort by material, cost in Philippine peso, distributor, company, or date. And they can choose ascending or descending order. The system uses pandas sort values to rearrange the list, then displays the sorted table.
Good day, ma'am. I am Criselda Perez. For this part, I will demonstrate how the summary works in the system. When the user selects the summary option, the program automatically generates an overview of the entire inventory. This includes the total number of items, the total cost in peso, as well as the highest cost and lowest cost materials. The system also computes the average cost per item. Since all values are already converted to peso in the inventory, the summary remains accurate and easy to interpret. Finally, the logout feature ensures the proper session control. When the user chooses log out, the system ends the current session and returns to the login interface. This prevents unauthorized access and keeps the system secure, especially when used by multiple people.